Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cello that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cecilio 4/4 Seco-1 BK electric cello. Finding a good-looking cello that sounds heavenly and doesn't come at an eye-watering price is far from easy, but the Cecilio CE-1 BK truly fits the bill. This amazing electric cello impresses with an innovative look and excellent sound. But the instrument is more than just style. It also packs a bunch of interesting features that have earned it the title of the best cello around. Ideal for cellists of all levels, it comes with a 1/8-inch output jack you can use to connect it to most PA systems and electric guitar amplifiers. The cable is conveniently included in the pack, so you can start playing right out of the box. Practicing without disturbing your neighbors, even when playing the cello late at night, is possible with the Cecilio. This electric cello smartly incorporates a headphone jack for silent practice, as well as a line-in jack for those moments when you want to practice with a background track. Amazing from a visual standpoint, it boasts a hand-carved maple wood construction with a black metallic finish. Ebony fingerboard and a beautiful tailpiece with mother-of-pearl inlay bring further value, while 4 detachable fine tuners allow you to easily adjust the cello's performance. The instrument comes packed in a stylish, padded soft case. Available in a variety of sizes, you can find the right one for kids and adult players alike. For more amazing instruments like this, check out our guide to the best electric guitars for beginners. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cecilio CCO-100 Student Cello. From the same brand as our best choice, the Cecilio CCO-100 is one of the best cellos for intermediate players. Like its electric brother, it comes in various sizes suitable for both kids and adults. Bringing the best in terms of value for money, this acoustic cello boasts a crack-proof spruce top with neck, back, and sides made of maple. The fingerboard is made of maple, too, while an alloy tailpiece comes with 4 integrated fine tuners. Designed to help you learn to play cello fast, the model also boasts a Brazil wood bow with genuine, Mongolian horsehair. An excellent choice for students of all levels, it also impresses with its aesthetics. The high luster varnish gives it a high-end look. Similar to other cellos from the brand, this one comes with a convenient soft case with pockets and adjustable backpack straps. We also like that it's ready to play straight out of the box. All you need is to set up the bridge after unpacking it, and you're good to go. Backed by a 1-year warranty against manufacturer's defects, the cello is undeniably one of your best bets for the money and makes a perfect gift for music lovers, kids and adults alike. At number 3, we have the Crescent 4/4 Beginner Cello Starter Kit. Good cellos are usually expensive. Yet, the Crescent Beginner Cello is an excellent choice for rookies or amateur players who don't want to spend an arm and a leg on the instrument. Sure, you won't get top-notch quality for the price, but the instrument is still promising and well worth the price tag. Like the Cecilio above, it comes with a spruce top and maple back, neck, and sides. The finishes and coat choice could have been better, but it's hard to argue about them, considering that the cello costs less than $200. Besides the instrument, the starter kit also includes all accessories you need to get playing straight out of the box. Indeed, you'll get ebonized pegs and fingerboard, an alloy tailpiece with 4 built-in fine tuners, as well as a wood stick bow with genuine horsehair. Casual players might do just fine with the kit as it is, but you might want to change the bow with a higher quality one if you have high aspirations. That said, everything about this cello is satisfactory, and you'll even get a convenient carrying bag, should you want to take it anywhere. For more amazing and affordable instruments like this, check out our guide to the best electronic drum kits. At number 2, we have the DZ Strad Handmade Student Cello. Moving forward with our list, the DZ Strad is one of the best cellos for beginners around. It is designed with students in mind, and even if it isn't cheap, it brings the performance newbies need. Easy to play, this cello is made from high-quality wood and presents hand-carved pegs and tailpiece. An ebony fingerboard and fittings enhance its aesthetics, while the wood stick bow with genuine horsehair delivers a warm and round tone. Besides the spruce top and maple back and sides, this cello also stands out thanks to the exquisite finish. You can expect outstanding playability that will surely keep you motivated as you're learning. Students apart, the instrument is also a good choice for amateurs who don't want to spend a fortune but who still want to buy a cello that's truly worth it. Beautiful and dependable, this cello is one of your best bets for casual playing and learning. Our guide to the best mandolins features more quality instruments, so check them out. And finally at number 1, we have the Cecilio CCO 300 solid wood cello. Cecilio CCO 300 is one of the best cellos for advanced players who want to keep a secondary instrument at home. It's cheap but features the quality the brand is known for. You can expect a hand-carved solid spruce top with maple neck, back, and sides. High luster varnish gives it a pleasant look, while also protecting the wood, keeping the cello in good conditions for a long time. Not only the quality of this cello is great, we also like the accessories. Like most Cecilio instruments, the CCO 300 comes with maple fingerboard, nickel-plated fine tuners, as well as boxwood pegs and tailpiece. The bow is made from Brazil wood and boasts unbleached, genuine Mongolian horsehair. Furthermore, the rosin, bridge, and cello stand are also made from high-quality wood. The instrument comes neatly packed in a soft case, while a hard case is also provided as standard, for easier and safer storage and transport. Carrying cases apart, an extra set of strings adds further convenience. This cello comes in all sizes for junior and adult players, and is backed by a 1-year warranty. No doubt, an excellent choice for players and audiophiles of all levels who don't want to break the bank.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.